Hello guys, how you doing? Alright, so my name is Stanley Okafo. If you're watching me for the first time, I do car reviews. I uh, buy and sell cars, and then I do some little do-it-yourself videos also. In today's video, I got this. Let me show you. Made by Amoro Ultra Shine Headlight Restoration Wipes. So I want to use this on the headlight and see. So let's try this together and see what the result will be. All right. So let's first of all wipe it clean. Right, and clean from debris and dust. Right. And just do this side and see what it looks like. Alright, that is step one. The say is take it out from the plug. And you see, you can leave it as it is fold this way, and then scrub hard horizontally. Just scrub it hard. Apply even pressure horizontally. As many times as you can. I'm seeing it. It's clearing. Yeah, I'm seeing it. Wow. It works like magic. Look at this part here. I wiped it several times. See it going away. Wow. Look at that. It works like magic. Alright, so let me take it one after the other. This pulse here, you can see very well. You cannot see it from the camera. I'm looking at it closely and I can see it. You can see all the oxidation. And as I'm scrubbing it, yeah, it's working. Wow. What I see is that it might take you a long time and the much pressure, but then it's working pretty nice. Me looking at it closely from here. Wow. This is the new page. So I continue to wipe it clean. Continue to wipe it clean. Suppose that, and this one says step 2. This is like a coat. So after we do the first stage, this one is like coating it, like protecting it from further oxidation. So I got this, and this you also just coat. Yeah, see, this is a coat because there is something like oil that is coming to the surface. So this is like a coat. There, I'm so proud of this job that I did right now. So nice. I'm gonna clean this. Yeah. So wait, I'm not gonna waste it. I'm gonna save it in here so that I'll use it to also protect the other side, and then I'll do this center here also. But damn it, I'm able man now. My money no will go like that. I'll use it to the maximum. Alright, so this is the job we did right now. Right, this is the just concluded. This is the driver's side. We just did that now. And then to show you the difference, look over here to the left side. This is what it looked like before we started, and in less than 5 minutes we turned that into this crystal clear headlamp. All right, so let's do the same thing to this side. Okay, let's start with this one. Yeah, you can see it right now. First of all, always remember to just wipe it dry and clean from dust and debris. That's the first step. Then let me use this a little bit with my left hand, and you start scrubbing. The more pressure you apply to this, the quicker it gets the job done. Well, I guess this is weak already, so alright, so we start again on this side. I want to be taking one section after the other. I think it's quicker for me that way. You can see already all the oxidation that are coming out. Alright, this is just like a tissue paper, but whatever chemical they put there is what does the job. It's not like a sandpaper. It's not hard at all. So I think the chemical just dissolves it and then you wipe it away. It's not like scrubbing with a sandpaper. Wow, this is coming clear too. I think that is it. I don't know if it can get better than this. I don't know if it can get better than this. Remember, I saved the one I used from the other side, so I want to use it here too. Damn, I should have worn a glove, but it's late. Let me just finish it up and go wash my hand. I have a glove. I should have one glove. Please don't do this with your bare hand. Find a glove. Alright, so this is it. Sparkling crystal headlamp has been renewed. Alright, you saw how it looked like before we started, and now I think I did a better job on this side, on this passenger side. Or is it the sun reflection? Maybe it's the sun reflection. But this, yeah, it should be the sun. This is in the shade, so it shows clearly what we did there. And this, because of the sun reflecting, it seems not quite as good as the other one, but it is. And also I cleared this sienna, yeah, so that is the sun reflection also on this side. But in the shade, look at that, just like brand new. All right, so that is it. All right, guys, so that is it for today. Keep your headlights clear and bright. It helps you a lot to see better during the night. Also, it makes your car look new. The headlamp has a very beautiful effect on your cars. When they are bright and sparkling, your car looks new. Once again, my name is Stanley Okafo, and I'll see you in the next one.